Many people think loneliness happens because they are alone, but that is not the truth. Loneliness often begins when lives become quiet. After retirement, after children leave home, after routines disappear. The day suddenly belongs to you, and that freedom can feel strangely empty. Not because you failed, but because your structure has changed. And here is the hopeful part. Loneliness is not permanent. Connection can be rebuilt. One phone call, one coffee, one conversation. You don't need a new life. You need one small step. Because life after retirement is not about stepping back. It is about stepping into who you were always meant to become. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com.